restaurant, Jalan Raya Kuta, a place called Seribu Rempah. It actually translates to 1,000 spices. So we've never eaten here before. We're going to go in and check it out. Oh, it looks like there's a little beer garden out the side here, which is nice. All right, a little beer garden. So we'll maybe sit out here as a bit of a breeze. We'll go inside and have a look first. It's just traditional Indonesian food from all over Indonesia. Apparently there's a lot of different types of food and stuff. I got the Christmas tree up. Yeah, it's close to Christmas. So it's very nice in here actually. It's very much more or less a restaurant, not a warung. So, and what's down the back here? Another big function room down the back. Hello, just filming. Looks like a big function hall down the back for parties and weddings and things like that. All right, so we'll go out and sit in the beer garden. It seems nice out there. All right, did I tell you how beautiful you look today, darling? All right. All right, Seribu Rempah. All right, 1,000 spices, yeah, that's what it, so it's very nice out here. It's a nice little breeze actually coming in off the road. So I actually bought my reading glasses for once. Most of the time I get to restaurants and warungs, I can't read the menu, the print's too small. Anyway, we'll just check it out, check out the menu. Okay, suss out the menu. It's got things like bakwan, lumpia, which is spring rolls, otak-otak, which is like compressed like fish cake type things, rawon soup, rempah buntut, it's like an oxtail soup, all other different types of Indonesian dishes, iga bakar, it's like ribs, grilled ribs, paru, cow's lungs, beef, we've got prawns, what else we got here? It's sort of basically stuff from all over. Ayam betutu, you can get a whole chicken. We've got chicken butter, fried fish, gourmet, and a seafood platter. It's got a fish, prawns, some squid. Got different types of rices and noodles, chicken, duck, things like that. Wow, it's a huge menu. Then different rice dishes, nasi gorengs and things like that. Vegetables. All right, here's the specials menu, just exactly what Wagyu beef sambal mata, Wagyu beef sambal mata, which is Wagyu steak with sambal mata, is really good sambal. Beef ribs, rawon, got chicken dishes. Geez, I might go either the ribs or the steak. I may as well just do a steak, a Wagyu beef sambal mata, try that out, see if it is. Because I did a video on that Wagyu beef place out on Jalan Mahandradatta. Really, really good. Really, really good. Whether it's real Wagyu or not, I don't know. So I'm going to try this one out. I feel like a steak. I feel like lashing out. So Yuli's paying today, ain't darling? You paying today? What? No. You bring your card with you? No. No? God. Not really, no. The Wagyu itu daging aja ada sayur? Or?
Oh itu ya, itu khusus daging aja, belum
ada side dish-nya.
Iya, nasi wangi.
Alright, so well I'll get the nasi wangi.
Nasi wangi satu.
Yeah. Es teh tawar.
Es teh tawar satu.
Nggak pakai sayur lagi, Bapak itu.
Oh, I don't know. You want some like kangkung or something?
Sayur di sini. Es teh tawar.
Thank you.
Makanannya ditunggu ya.
Thank you.
Untuk pesanannya
Alright.
Sayur kangkung.
Alright, so it's beef and rice, tofu, tempeh, sort of like a lalapan type thing. Same with this here. Got sambal mata. You don't get much Wagyu. But I wanted the Wagyu steak. Maybe I'll order a Wagyu steak as well. But it does look good. You get the spiced rice and beans, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, an egg, and sambal, and see how hot this sambal is. See how hot it is. So this is terasi sambal. It's like it's got the shrimp paste in it, and this is sambal mata. It's more or less the little red onions and chilli and garlic, and they pour boiling hot oil over it with heaps of lime or lemon juice in it. Okay, so no knives and forks. Wash your hands in. The best way to eat food anyway, I reckon. So a little bit of sambal mata, bit of rice, bit of wagyu. Try that out first, see what it's like. Not too bad. The beef is sort of sweet. I don't know what they put on it, but it's a bit sweet. Yeah. Anyway, a bit of egg. The egg's cold, actually. More sambal mata. I love this stuff. You've got to have heaps of it on there. With the steak. The beans look spicy. Got a lot of chilli on. Okay, so I'm going to hook into my wagyu. I bet you I'll finish this whole bowl of sambal mata. Beautiful stuff. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm finished. So this rice, it's sort of like what they call like nasi uduk. It's just spicy rice. You can buy little packets of nasi uduk and spice up your rice, put it in the rice cooker and that. It's really good. Gives it a bit of flavour, the rice, you know. Beef's not bad. Normally you have this sort of food with chicken, but very good. Alright, I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Alright, so we got some kangkung. It's got tomato and chilli and in it as well, and garlic. Just a vegetable. We didn't really need it, we got it. So I was going to buy just the steak with no veggie, but yeah, so I ordered that, then I changed to this other wagyu. So the beans are really good. It's a little bit crunchy in them. It's like a sambal, but it's sort of like, I don't know whether it's sweet or what it is. That's it, not bad at all. Not bad at all. We'll see what the bill is when we get the bill, how much it costs. So Yuli's beef Impala is really good. It's like beef, they cut it in strips, sort of dried out a bit, if not fried. It's nearly sort of ends up like a jerky. You can cook it and cook it till it ends up like a jerky. But yeah, this one's still a little bit meaty. It's not too bad at all. Chewy and good. Yeah, so that was really good. It's nice out here actually. They've got these big ceiling fans going everywhere. So there's a good breeze here, and I'd rather sit outside like this than inside in aircon with all the people in there. But a fair few people starting to get inside now, so it's good out here. We've got it to ourselves, and it's right opposite the Central Parker. It's just straight across the road on Jalan Raya Kuta. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description for this place. Okay, so just pay scan pay. Alright, so that was pretty good. Come in and check it out. Leave a Google Maps link in the description. It was about 230,000, about 23 bucks for that. Couple of drinks, couple of meals. It was pretty good actually. So anyway, Seribu Rempah.